One-step problems using first-order equations. The simplest wordy problems are those that are solved through a single step. In general, such problems are short and they contain one or two clues. The resulting equation, therefore, is a first-order one with one variable, which is the simplest type of equation. Let's clarify this point through an example. Example: two twins are 3 years old and their babysitter is 36. How many times older than twins is the babysitter? Solution: A. We can solve this wordy problem using the same approach, i.e. in words. Thus, since the babysitter is 36 years old and twins are 3 years old, they are 36 divided by 3 is equal to 12 times younger than their babysitter, or she is 12 times older than the twins. B. We can create an equation based on the clues given in the problem. Thus, expressing the age ratio by x, we can write the following as shown on screen. Since in this first-order equation with one variable the coefficient and constant are a equals 3 and b equals minus 36 respectively, we have the following as shown on screen. Hence, again the result is that the babysitter is 12 times older than the twins. That is all for lesson 9.2.1. To continue this tutorial, please watch 9.2.2, two steps problems using first-order equations. Thank you for watching. Make sure to like and subscribe to keep up to date with new videos. For more information, calculators, and tutorials, please visit www.icalculator.info.